I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with a dry, lightly seasoned cast iron griddle. Inspect for rust and reseason small spots now. Place the griddle squarely on a flat coil or smooth glass top to ensure full contact. Turn the burner to medium and preheat for about 8 to 12 minutes. You want even, stable heat rather than a hot spot. Once it's warm, test with a few drops of water. They should dance and evaporate quickly, confirming proper preheat. Now you'll manage temperature and apply oil so food releases and seasoning is preserved. Use a high smoke point oil and spread about 1/2 teaspoon thinly. The oil seals pores and improves browning. Lower the dial to medium-low to avoid chronic smoking and uneven seasoning loss. Because electric stoves can have hot spots, rotate the griddle or food every few minutes to even the cook. If you need faster sear, briefly bump heat, then immediately reduce it to maintain the seasoning layer. Finish by removing food and letting the griddle cool slightly. While warm, wipe with a paper towel to remove debris and leave a very thin oil film to protect the surface. Make sure it's fully dry before storing in a ventilated spot to avoid rust. If food sticks or you see excessive smoking, lower the heat and reapply a light seasoning layer. Severe stickiness usually means you need to reseason or burn off residue gently and recoat, which restores the nonstick surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.